The next part I want to show you on the Triton sequencer is the mixer tabs. The mixer tabs are basically like it's just its own mixer. It splits the tracks, the 16 tracks, into 2 panels with 8 tracks on each of them. Within these panels, you can affect the panning and the volume of each of the tracks. This goes for all of them, and you could also actually changing the dials. So if you want to record a volume change, things like that, just change the volume while you're recording, and it should pick up that information. And when you play it again, it'll change. It'll come back out the same exact way that you actually recorded it on the way in. Within this mixer section, the values go from 0. They go from 1 to 127, just like regular MIDI data. The same exact thing with the panning. It's from 1 to 127. So those can affect your track in big ways.